at us. So I send you go buy pepper since morning. You just they come, abi? You just they come. So that I don't chop finish. I don't do everything finish. You just they come. You go see yourself today. Go flog on your body pit today, man. Idiot, man.
I'm sorry now. Please, you auntie them now. Muna help me beg them now, eh? Una just close mouth. I know be come out, I come out too. Na devil na ain't carry me come out too. Na devil no. As I dey go on my own, I see devil. In human form, one fine girl will get one fine lips like this with sexy eye. The girl they come in form of human being, but I know say na devil. As the girl they come, me I they come. You they come, I they come, man. The girl they come, man. I they come, man. As we come closer, man. The girl come they look me. Me I they look her. She they look me. I they look her. We look oh. She can't they look me for eyes. Me I they look her for eyes. She won't do me like this. Me I can't dodge her like this. She won't do me like this. Me I can't dodge her like this. After she don't look me finish, she can't tell me for my ear. Say, I love you. Now me can't turn. Can't look am oh. I can't look and can't tell and say, can't tell her. Thank you. Yes.
So now what you can't do?
I don't do anything now.
You know do am.
I don't do anything no. Now the girl can't tell me say make we do. I tell her say no, I get somebody like you, so I know if you do. She say make we do. I say no, I no go do. Now him I come as we can't talk finish. Now she can't go. She can't tell me bye bye. Me I can't turn. I tell her bye. Now only thing will happen. I know.
Okay. Come make I tell you your punishment for today. You go carry broom. You go sweep all this compound. You go fetch water, full all the old basin everywhere for me, man. Yes, today. Before you go chop. Nonsense. Come, will you kneel down there now? Come, kneel down, man.
Nkoli, this you about to wed husband. All the ewu obodo oyibo. Ewu ndị ọcha.
But wait eh. This your man eh. Na correct mugu. Eh? He be like say na for zoo you bring and come from mo.
Man, I don't know anything. You carry me come back for this village. All this all of them they not marry me anyhow. Give us some necklace Musa at the America. I don't know America anything. I be collecting woman, man. Don't have a woman, man.
Hey! American husband. Igbo.
Hey!
Nkoli, man. He's in America.
Man.
Let them go, man. You gotta go, man. These people are
Come here.
Hey.
So you decide to disgrace me for this village. I go show you. I go show you.